What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes, and I am ecstatic right now. It's Erev Yom Kippur. It's the day before Yom Kippur, but I woke up to an amazing email. We got a big fat check. That's right, folks. You know, like Rakuten, a big fat check. Overnight, I got a PayPal notification that someone gave $1,800 to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization. And he said, Mikey Pipes, I am buying out all the rest of your posters. And whoever wants a poster can get one. I'm like, whoa. Hold on. Like, I got you! Folks, we're giving out free posters. I got posters going to Robert in Ambridge, Pennsylvania. PJ in Crescent City, Florida. Cameron in Florence, Kentucky. Chris in Reardon, Washington. Kevin in Baltimore. Hold on, there's more. And Steve in Utica, who claims he's poor as fuck. But I got him too. Can you believe that, ladies and gentlemen? I woke up this morning to an amazing email. Oh, my watch is upside down. It's 57 degrees here in the great communist state of New York, and your fucking husband is cold. What are you waiting for? Get the furnace fixed. Isn't that amazing, ladies and gentlemen? The random acts of kindness that we do. You know, just like if you come out of the supermarket, you see someone, you know, down in their luck. You try to hook them up if you can, you know. But to have and receive such a random act of just kindness that someone gave, they wanted to remain anonymous, by the way, so we're going to respect their wishes. Wow, it's 6 posters, by the way, that ironically, requests came in yesterday. I came back from running a couple service calls yesterday, and literally I have a bunch of emails that, hey, if there's a free poster, I would appreciate one. And then I'm like, why always people email me for free posters? Like, I don't give out free posters. We do 1 free poster a week because of another amazing individual who donates $50 every week, so I can give 1 poster out a week. And I gotta tell you, I may have to reprint extra run. We may have to do not ones that are printed hat show print, but we may have to. We'll see. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would like a free poster, while supplies last, these are gonna go out like hotcakes now. I already know it. Free posters anywhere in the United States. Now listen, if you live outside the United States, I am not covering like the $25 of shipping to send it to you. So if you live outside the United States, Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, crypto, reach out to me, Mike at MikeyPipes.com. Let's make it happen. But $25 to ship you a poster in a mailing tube that they charge at the post office or UPS is a little is nuts. Let's keep it fucking real. So I feel blessed. And in case you guys don't know what I'm talking about, why someone's donating $1,800 or any money, I run a nonprofit called Mikey Pipes Philanthropy. We are a IRS 501c3 charity, public charity, which means that we are a nonprofit organization and we provide free. I've never charged any of the recipients who received the services that we do under that anything. So I know I say free or low cost, but we provide free plumbing, heating, cooling services to those in our community who can't afford to hire a professional. I've never charged. We've done jobs in Pennsylvania, in rural Pennsylvania, installing a brand new Bosch system for a family in need, literally a $30,000 value for free. We installed a water heater, I think it was in Wisconsin or Michigan or Minnesota, and a guy who was just 80-year-old gentleman, cancer survivor, colostomy bag, had no hot water for weeks, couldn't afford $5,000 he was being quoted to replace a regular atmospheric water heater. couple weeks ago, we did a stoppage. I paid the single mom. I reimbursed her $400, over $400, so she could have Rotoroo take care of her sink because the shit wasn't going down the kitchen sink. And then more recently, we're working on a job in Lindenhurst here on Long Island where we have a family that needs the laundry facilities on the main floor because they can't go into the basement anymore safely. So I run this nonprofit. I take nothing from it. There are some guys sitting in their parents' basement wearing their sister's panties. Like Mikey Pipes, you take money from it. Like, I don't take anything from it. Thank God I don't fucking need it, bro. I don't need to fucking take money from a nonprofit to what? To float the fucking whatever? Come on. I don't fucking need it like that. Guys, man. But that's what we do. And I had these posters commissioned. This is version 2.0 for 2025. Last year I had that one, which sold out like hotcakes. Red, white, and blue, make the trades great again. Mikey Pipes had that one commissioned, and these were commissioned at another nonprofit organization, the Hatch Show Print, located inside the Country Music Hall of Fame in Nashville, Tennessee. Yeah, and I paid them for those posters. Yeah, me personally. Yeah, that's right. Me personally. So, shove that up your ass and spin on it. I'm dreading this evening and the next 25 or so hours after this evening where my fellow brethren pray and seal our fate of asking for forgiveness. The holiday of Yom Kippur on the Jewish calendar. Many of you have off. I know a lot of businesses are closed. We are closed as well tomorrow. And, yeah, and it's cold this morning, 57 degrees, so, yeah, making it happen. So, this video is scheduled to launch that morning of. So, tomorrow morning, it will be live at around 6 a.m., so enjoy. I will be miserable, probably, thirsty, hungry, and dreading having to sit in the synagogue for hours upon hours upon hours. So I think prayer services start tomorrow at around, 8:30 and end around maybe 1-ish, if we're lucky, 1:30 more than likely. And then we go back for another 3 hours late in the afternoon for the final services. Plus tonight's only an hour and a half. But it's a lot of praying. You can't brush your teeth. You can't, wash your face off. You can't, take a shower. You can't fornicate. You can't do nothing other than pray for forgiveness. So if I did anything to offend any of you in the last year, my apologies. And I sincerely, genuinely mean that. All right. Until I make you mad again on Friday. I'll catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. And for all those who are going to be celebrating with me, have a meaningful and easy fast. Catch you in the next one.